When we speak about new functions in Excel, it's impossible not to speak about Lambda. It was the topic that I covered in Bulgaria. And today, of course, the presentation is different, but it's impossible to avoid speaking about Lambda. And I have a sheet here to show you what we can do. A classic example from the mathematics, triangle, the classic hypotenuse. And my Excel has this curious function. For the beginners, try finding now if you have this function. And let's discuss how I could. We have a delay, so we are not going to see the comments real instantly. All right, Eric is saying that Lambda is the number one. Yes, yes. The power that Lambda can bring to Excel is incredible. The limit is the imagination. Yes, now you can hear the question. For the beginners, if you try hypo, you won't find this function because I created. It's mine. I created by myself. And of course, yes, you don't have the function. I see Luis commenting here. No version. No version. Any version can count with hypotenuse. So it's mine. I created, but of course I didn't invent this function here because I just based on the great people from the maths who was during all their lives creating something for our usage. So we could simply reproduce the calculation itself, but it's way easier to think about, hey, I want to calculate the hypotenuse for all these triangles, and let's see the result. I see the emojis here laughing on the comments. Yeah. Let's use here the advanced formula environment. This one here, I will show you how to install because this is the best way to write a Lambda, right? It's possible to write inside the name manager as well. I'm here inside the formulas tab, name manager now. And you see here the hypotenuse. But we have line breaks here. It looks like my function here. The formula doesn't count with a lambda, but I have line breaks. Of course, if I copy here to some other area, you will be able to read it better. This is the lambda function that I wrote, but it's not so good to try lambda function directly in a cell because the great advantage is to give a proper name to the function so that you don't need to think about details anymore. And especially the other users from your company. Let's think about a company. I believe all of you here are considered the advanced users on the company. Even if you think you are not advanced, the initiative of participating of a conference like this denotes that you want to learn more than others. So